Pandem, Rocket Bunny, 350z, Chargespeed Gekisoku, wide body GTR. And we're back, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lance. If you guys have not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe because we got automotive content coming out of Hawaii. But it's been about 2 weeks since we came back from SEMA. We got the Z sitting here. We got the GTR over there. GTR is going to be driven today. I just finished washing the car, but we got some stuff going on today. I gotta go and pick up my brother from the airport because he just came back from Cali for Thanksgiving. What else am I missing? We're gonna go meet up with our boy Josh. Gonna get some stuff. You guys been asking on TikTok that we should collab, so we're gonna go meet up with Josh later. But yeah, I feel like I'm missing some. Oh yeah, I got really sick. Like I got really sick coming back from SEMA. I think it was from the layover when we were in San Fran, because literally I was just wearing a t-shirt, shorts, and slippers. And you guys know me, I'm just an island boy from Hawaii, so I was like super underdressed for when we got to San Fran. It was like 50 something degrees and I'm not used to the cold, so I got a really bad cold. So we got the Z here. GTR is gonna go out today. You know what's funny though? I've actually been driving this car pretty much every single day except Wednesday and Tuesday, as always. Now another thing we do have to take care of as well is we're gonna have to ceramic coat all of the new pieces, or probably just re-ceramic the whole car. Now we have to wait about a 3-month period from when the car was painted just so we can get the paint settled, but we're almost there. Oh yes, beautiful H&L airport where it's so crowded. Everybody loves to come to Hawaii, but when you come to the airport, it ain't the biz sometimes. Now do I dare blast it? Little set, baby set. Oh, I hope you guys can hear that blow valve because I'm still, till this day, I just love this car. Just makes all the sounds. I love it.
2 hours later.
Well, this is gonna be fun. Range says 26, but on this one, it says we have nothing, and we're sitting below E. Damn, bro, I never really got to notice it this much, but that Z is hella thick, guys. Oh my gosh. Bro, literally, if we had a base 370Z, guys, I'll be honest, I would cut it up. But being that we have the 370Z Nismo, I don't have the heart to do it right now. But, actually, no, I can't say it yet. All right, so the game plan right now is we are trying to go back to my favorite spot that I've been wanting to take the car for the longest of time. The last time we went, it wasn't open. So I'm praying right now, crossing my fingers, that the parking lot is gonna be open. Yes, success, but unfortunately, there's cars here. Gosh darn it. Finally, mission accomplished, guys. We're finally in the lot that I wanted to take you guys out. Literally, we're gonna start up here in the mountains and we're gonna end up all the way down there later on today. But we got wide body GTR, wide body 350Z. Yeah, man, these things are so sick. Josh had an off-white livery on this car, but he took off the logos and just kept the off-white stickers on his wheels. And literally, guys, on the way up here, when you look at his wheels, like, it literally looks like a yellow barrel, which is so sick. Hopefully we can get a couple roller of it later. But damn, this thing is so sick. But we're gonna try and get some TikToks in. A lot of you guys have been asking for us to come out and collab, make some videos. So we're gonna have Pandem, Rocket Bunny, 350Z, Chargespeed Gekisoku, wide body GTR. Josh is already practicing over there, tossing the phone. There's that one trend where like it's that slow-mo, and we're gonna try and do it right in between both of the cars over here. But yeah, wish us luck. One last time in this spot. I think the next time we're gonna bring the drone out. Well, honestly guys, we went through literally 60 takes of just tossing our phone and trying to spin it. So if you guys see our TikTok on, just make sure, yeah, any of our accounts, honestly, just make sure you guys like it, because it took about what, hour and a half, 2 hours just to get a decent shot. Now this does not get old, guys. Seriously, one of the best spots to come out because it's just so quiet. But we're gonna be trying it again, another TikTok, 60 takes. And if you guys haven't done so already, follow Josh and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, because you know, Hawaii boys trying to make it out there someday. Okay, we gotta move up. We gotta move up a little bit. Oh, we're going all the way.
Yeah, you got like this much.
Oh.
Alright.
Alright, let's go. Take two. Oh, that's some good height right there.
Hey, low key, that was
That was some good height right there.
That might have been the one. Oh, no.
Oh.
I got scared because I was like in between the cars, bro. I gotta be committed. Alright, so Lance is gonna give it a try now.
I'm gonna do like 3 in a row.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, that was too much spin.
Oh,
that might
be the one.
That might be the one.
That might be the one. I'm telling you guys, these TikToks ain't easy, man. Especially when you try to keep up with the trends. Bro, I literally just washed the car today, and check this out. Look at all this brake dust right there. Ooh, actually, now that we have the car here, I guess I'm gonna tell you guys, or give you guys an update. This wing is gonna go for sale. This carbon trunk is gonna go for sale. I'm not gonna say exactly what setup it is, but you guys already know it's gonna be a duckbill, and you guys know that we already saw the Chargespeed duckbill at SEMA. Now, maybe it might be that duckbill, but I do have another one that I'm really thinking about, and I have not seen anybody run that duckbill trunk yet. So should we change it up? Should we do a big duckbill? It's like super aggressive, not like the little like 2-inch duckbill. I think it'll just flow a lot more better, and especially too whenever I'm like pounding the car, whenever I want to try and pound the car, now I'm getting a little bit more self-conscious about the wing because it is on carbon. I mean, this is dry carbon painted with gloss, and technically dry carbon is a little bit more sturdier than actual just overlay carbon. But still, at the same time, I don't want to be the one to have a wing fly off.
I have that fear literally
same thing, right?
Every time, bro. And it's like, it's because my wing is only held on by 2 screws.
Oh,
and
see,
double-sided.
Mine's is 3 screws or 3 bolts, and that's it. So you know how I feel then.
I was afraid today, bro. When you were behind me, I was like, the wing's gonna fly and hit his car.
Yeah. So I mean, the carbon wing for this one, guys, it's pretty light, but at the same time, again, I'm just, you know, I don't want to pay for someone else's bodywork. Duckbill or not, let me know. Drop it in the comments. And lastly, one thing that I do have to look for is seats. Now, I don't know if I'm going to run seats in the Z or if I'm going to run seats in the GTR, but I do need to find wider seats. And probably from when we filmed Island Rides, probably like a year ago, the status seats are probably one of the more comfortable seats that I've sit in, even though the bolstering is a little bit higher in comparison to the OEM GTR seats. The reason why I like these is because it's actually like wide enough for my fat hip base. So maybe seats for the Z, maybe seats for the GTR, but we have to wait and see. Other than status seats, I'm also looking at Sparkos as well. Or was it Recaro? No, Sparkos actually. But these seats are still pretty comfortable to me, even though these aren't the, what do you call, the reclinable ones. Even though it's a fixed back, status seats, that's on my mind right now. All right, one last look at these two together. Damn, it's good to get these cars together. But again, follow my boy Josh, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. And of course, you guys better be following me already. But damn, bro, hardest wide bodies here, man. Facts. And those rears, guys, I'll be honest right now, these rears right here is a lot thicker than those right there. I think this one's like an inch thicker than that. But man, hardest wide bodies you'll ever find in Hawaii. And we're back. Got the cars all back home. I just got back home from work. Got the Z here, GTR here, bikes over here. Z is really dirty right now, but we'll get into that later. I know it's been a couple of weeks since I've actually like picked up the camera because I was just out of commish, but I'm a-okay now, and I have so much stuff that I want to do before the year ends. Remember what TJ Hunt said? He told me to try and do 3 videos a week, and I'm gonna try and do that, but you know, holidays is just, you know, busy for me at work. So I'm not making excuses, but I promise you guys that I am gonna try push out at least 2 every week, and then we'll try and make it out to 3. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Now, I did say at the beginning of the video that we are going to be talking about the Z. I'm going to save that for the next video for you guys because, how do I say this? There's some plans for the Z, and there's other updates that we got to give you guys for the Z. But nonetheless, car's still here. GTR is absolute fun, and I just noticed that every time I drive this car now, I'm going to have to wash it because I don't want brake dust getting all stuck in the wheels, because the wheels collect the most brake dust, and the last thing I want to do is just have all that gunk and just make it super thick, because yeah, don't get all black wheels. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. A lot of stuff coming for you guys before the year ends. We're gonna have a funny video lined up, I want to say next week, or if not, no, it has to be next, no, actually take it back. If not next week, then the following week I have some weird funny video that I really want to do, but I'm just gonna say that for now. But again, if you guys haven't done so, make sure you subscribe, drop a like for today's video. Also, follow along with the builds, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, stay driven, and always to remember, challenge your standards.